Okay, so I missed the poll for Scorpio for the runes. Let's see if I can adjust here. There we go. We've got Ingwas. God Ingwas. Fertilization, actualization, beginning, balance, productivity, growth, common sense, family, home, relief, nature, frith, plenty, and faith. And that'd be purple, red, and green for N and G. What else we got? That'd be heart chakra, third eye chakra, and root chakra. Those quite possibly what you're in or what you need to work on for alignment. And then we got Feiyu, cattle, innocent, wealth, honesty, possessions, luck, happiness, abundance, and it's a letter F. And then we got yellow and blue, which is throat chakra and solar plexus. Then we got Theresa, giant, danger, suffering, gateway, thorn, power, force, study, self-discipline, which is very important, meditation, knowledge, and wisdom, which is TH, and that would be pink and green, so your crown and your heart chakra. And last but not least, for Scorpio, for the rune pull, because I missed it, and I'm posting this separate, Taiwas, the god Taiwas, victory, honor, courage, warrior, justice, battle, sacrifice, authority, analysis, rationality, leadership, and duty, which is pink and blue, which is throat chakra and crown chakra, the letter T, usually symbolizing warrior.